Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google Assistant from home button on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, by knowing how to remove Google Assistant from the home button on your device, you can personalize device functionality, reduce accidental activations, address privacy concerns, explore alternative uses for the home button, streamline navigation, and enhance accessibility. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, enter please to the settings menu on your device. Once there, scroll down please and tap on the system option. Okay, so in the system page, you have to open system navigation menu. After that, here you can proceed by clicking on more settings option. Finally, to disable Google Assistant from being activated by the home button, simply turn off this feature. This will effectively prevent Google Assistant from launching when you long press the home button on your device. Okay, and also by removing Google Assistant from the home button, you can prevent unintentional triggers of the assistant and maintain a smoother user experience. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google Assistant from the home button on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.